My name's David. I'm here to show you how to create a credit note in Deskera Books. So let's click on Accounting, click on Credit Note. Now inside here, you'll be able to see the document number, journal entry number, credit note date, contact, amount due, credit note type, and if you click the three dots, you'll be able to edit and delete. Let's click Create Credit Note. After I click Create Credit Note, I can select the contact, choose the currency, input the account, input the amount, select a tax if required, input a memo, and save. After I save, I go to Sell, I click on Invoice, and then I scroll down and find that customer. After I find that customer, I click the three dots, and then I can apply a credit note. I also can drill in, click Apply Credit Note, and apply the credit note here. If I scroll down, I can see my different payment records. And that was a quick look at how to create a credit note in Deskera Books.